What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Boondockbuilds. My name's Jamie, and if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be building the most talked about, best-selling item every spring, hands down, and that is going to be a planter box. So let's go ahead and dive on into it. So the first thing we want to do is head over to our table saw and cut two pieces all the way down the length of the board to 1 3/4 inches. Now we're going to rip the rest of this down to 1 1/8 inches. And now we're going to take one of our pieces that are 1 3/4 inches and our 1 1/8 piece and cut 4 times 17.5 inches long. Now for the next two pieces that we haven't cut yet, you're going to want to get 4 pieces at 14 inches, and then you're going to want to cut 6 at 12 3/4 inches. So last week, I asked you guys to leave a comment in the comment section. You guys did it, and it really helped the video a lot by doing that. So please, again, this week, hit that like button, leave a comment, put flowers in your comment this week. Thank you guys for helping me out. Let's get on to building this thing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your 14-inch boards and our 1 1/8 boards, and come over here, we're going to put these together like so. And then we're going to add just a little dab of glue here. On these. Here, make sure it's flush. And then we're going to pop some brads in it. Do the same thing on the other side. Then we're going to do this to the other one. And now we're going to take our 1 3/4 inch legs and nail them to the side. Next, we're going to flip these pieces up on their sides and add some glue down at the bottom of the leg. And then we're going to put our 12 3/4 inch pieces at the top and one at the bottom. Flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now we want to grab our extra slim piece here and cut 2 pieces down to 12 inches. Now we're going to nail these right here on the inside of our box. Now we're going to take some glue and add it to the bottom here and on both sides of the ledge that we just put into place. And then we're going to take our last 2 pieces of 12 3/4 and slide them to both ends. We're going to take one more piece of the sliver and cut it down to size. And now to finish up this project, we're going to take our last piece of 1 3/4 and cut those at 45 degrees. We're going to go short end to short end, 12 1/2 for 2 pieces, and then short end to short end, 12 3/4 for 2 pieces. Let's jump to it. And then we're going to throw some glue all the way around the top of this thing. And then I took my nail set and made sure all the nails were set into the wood. And this part here is optional. I took some wood filler, filled in the holes and sanded them back down, and I feel like that could set you apart from other planter boxes. And lastly, I just drilled a few holes for drainage. And there we have it, guys. Spring's #1 seller, the planter box. I'm going to be posting this on Facebook Marketplace and see how long it takes to sell. And I'm going to be posting the results of that on my community page. So if you're not already subscribed, be sure to do that now. So if you want to check out our last video, click right here. See you guys next time with Boondock Builds.